Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today I'm going to talk about closed test creator. Before I talk about closed test, I would like to mention a previous video in which I had talked about clarity index. And clarity index or fog index is an online tool, or even it is we can use it offline. What is it? It's a digit or it's a number, and this tells us about readability of a text. Let's say if we give a reading text to our students, and we want to make sure that this text is comprehensible to them, and it is not beyond their capacity of reach. So as a teacher or as a parent, we have to make sure that it is readable, so it does not have much difficulty in comprehension. So what do we do in clarity index? We just take up a sample of a text, which let's say if a text is a very large one, a very lengthy one, so a sample, one paragraph or two paragraphs are taken up, and then it is given like it is kind of we apply this clarity index. And if the digit is between 20 to 40, then the text is readable and it can be offered to the student. And if the text offers us the clarity index below 20, it means text is very easy and it hasn't got any charm for students, so just a piece of cake for them. And if it is above 40, then it means that text is too difficult for students to comprehend. So this is a way to check the readability of a text. So another way to check or to measure the readability of a text is close test. So let's first let's check what is a close. So I'm going to click on this browser, Google Chrome. I just want to explain it through online source. I just want to offer what does Google say about this. Okay, so here I'm on Google. So what is close test? Let me transcribe close test. Okay, so here we have close test. So the definition. So Google says that a procedure in which a subject is asked. Subject here means a student, a participant. A procedure in which a subject is asked to supply words that have been removed from a passage as a test of their ability to comprehend text. So what is a closed test? That a passage from which some words have been removed or some words have been deleted, we create blanks, and then we give this modified text with blanks to the student, and we request him or her or ask him or her to fill in the blanks. If a student is able to fill 60% of blanks in that text, it means this text can be given, the whole text can be given to the students, and the student can easily comprehend and understand it. And if a student cannot provide 60% blanks into that closed test, it means the text is too difficult for the students. So either the teacher has to explain few things from the text, or another text up to the caliber of the student should be selected. Okay, now closed test, I have already provided the definition of a closed test. So now today I'm going to introduce two online tools which help us create closed tests. We can create a closed test manually, but it takes too much time. So first website which I'm gonna introduce is George's online website, and the name of the test is closed test creator. So here I'm going to type closed test creator. Okay, closed test creator. So here is closed test creator. As you can see, Google's prompt is on the top, at the top, as you can see here, closed test creator. So this is the website Georgie's Online. So just click on it, and now the website is in front of you. Okay, so here we are going to paste our text, but before I paste our text here in this area, let me select a text. Okay, I'm going to minimize this window, and I'm going to open Google, and I'm going to select a text. Let's say uh, COVID COVID-19 COVID-19. Let's say something some COVID-19. Okay, let me select some text. Okay, let me go to some text. Okay, here we have okay, some text, I think Google. Okay, let's select this text. Okay, I'm going to copy text from this place because I need some text. Okay, let me I'm unable to copy. Yes. Okay, I'm going to select this text. Okay, and now I'm going to close this website. Okay, let me take you back to the original website, which was our website. Okay, so here is the website. Let me close this one now. Here, so this is a closed test creator website. Let me zoom in for you. As you can see here on the right, we have these options, and here there it's a closed test. The website says that we should paste the text here. So I'm going to paste my text here. Press the button with finger on the mobile phone screen, and now again press and paste. So this is the text. As you can see here, I want to convert it into a closed test. Okay, so I have these options. I can remove let's say I can here type which word should be removed. Let's say I type every fifth word should be removed or deleted from the text. So here I have given the option that every fifth word should be removed. So after this I'll come here, as you can see here. So here there are button, as you can see. So I'm going to click on submit. When I click on submit, now you can see on the screen the text has been certain blanks have been created here, as you can see here. Okay, now the words which have been removed are these, like these, are, and, close, droplets, has, infected, are, person, to, virus, etc. Now you have to give this closed test to your students. Okay, and ask them to insert these words back into the blanks, and if they can insert all these blanks back, let's say up to 60%, then the whole article from which this passage has been copied can be given to the students or the readers. Okay, and it will be very easy for them to go through sentence structure, the word level, vocabulary, etc. will be up to the level of the reader. And if they can't provide 60% of the blanks and their score is below 60%, then this text is very difficult for the students. Okay, now how to copy it? So you can press the button here, and you can copy it, and you can transport it later on to your I'll guide you later on how to copy this text and how to print it out. Second option is that we can create an online interactive closed test. But before I talk about this feature, let me introduce other features of this website. Like, we can even remove the articles from the this passage, sample passage. Okay, so first select this, click here on this circle. Okay, now first remove this one. Okay, so now we are going to ask this closed test creator to remove articles from the text. Okay, let's come here, and now click on submit. Okay, now see, now your this has been created. these articles have been removed. Okay, 4 articles have been removed, like one blank is here, second is here, third one is here, and fourth one is here. So now another option can be that we can let's say we can remove preposition, okay, from the text, as you can see here. Let's click. Now we are going to ask this website, the Georges Online, that create a closed test for us without any prepositions. Okay, so here is the passage. Now be mindful that this passage has been taken from a larger piece of discourse, written discourse. Okay, and what is the purpose of closed test? You want to decide as a teacher or as a parent to recommend a text to your students, and now you want to make a decision whether this text should be given to students or not. So you have to select a sample from the text like this and create a closed test, and mean you have to delete or remove certain words from the text, and then it has to be printed and given to the students, and you can ask them to fill provide blanks back into the text. And as I have just mentioned, that if they are able to provide 60% of the blanks, then the text can be given to them, otherwise text is too difficult for their comprehension. Now I'm going to create a closed test with prepositions removed. Okay, so click on submit and see these prepositions have been removed: by, in, of, on, through, to, within. Let's say I read it for myself. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted. Now here droplets. So which one? I think through is okay. Is transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too. So I think this too can be provided here. Okay, like this. So you can, if the student can provide you 60% of the blanks, then the text is easy to comprehend, and it can be given to the students. Okay, now quickly let me show you other options of this website. Okay, as you can see, we can remove linking verbs, we can remove auxiliaries, helping verbs, etc., wh words, quantifiers, models, etc. And let me choose mean that you can click on certain words. Okay, let me choose. I haven't used this option before. Let me learn how does it do it. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Yes, it means now I'm going to choose. Okay, like this one. Okay, right now it is not, I think, working, so I'll talk about it later on. So this website is easy to manage, and we can remove any words from this text, and we can take a screenshot. Okay, let's say if I request this website to remove, let's say, models. Let's say easy one is that I should tell this website to remove, let's say, every fourth word. Okay, and then let me click on it. So now I think option was not given to me. Okay, no correct option was given to me. Yes, already this is selected. Okay, let me unselect it and select this one. Okay, so now you can see blanks have been created. So we can even take a screenshot. If you are using a smartphone, we can take a so if you are using a smartphone, you can take a screenshot. Let's say I'm gonna take a screenshot like this. Just a minute. Let me click on it again. So you can even edit this screenshot like this. Okay, now I'm going to drag it. Now screenshot is clear. Okay, now let's see. I'll let me show you where the screenshot is. Okay, here is the screenshot. So now you can send this test to, let's say, to your students. Let's say you can share it, like when I click on share button. Okay, here, so as you can see here, we have this button here. So when I click it, so there are many options, as you can see here. I can send it through WhatsApp. Okay, then I can as you can Gmail Gmail, then Messenger, etc. So uh, I think it's a very good option for us. So this close test. In the next video I'll talk about another important website which gives us close test. Okay, so close test is a tool to measure readability. Okay, and if you have any questions regarding close test, then you can send me, you can write down beneath the description, and even my email address is mentioned on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you may have more such videos on teacher training resources. Thank you very much.